Harris hawks are one of the few raptors in the world to hunt in a family group, like a wolf pack. Brother and sister move in to flush prey out of hiding. They go door to door, trying to incite panic. The runner, out in the open. Now the adults make their move. They dive in at 50 miles an hour, and they've got the agility to dodge the razor-sharp thorns. The hunters divvy up the prize. For the hawks, working as a team pays off. A smart tactic when you live in one of the toughest places to survive on the entire continent.